Before changing the dried putty with sandpaper, the kit itself is made so that it can be reproduced in various forms, so there are some parts that need to be cut and removed in advance, so we proceed with removing it first. The GPS antenna mold on the back of the gas, and the sensor on the upper part of the air intake, are cut and trimmed. Start grinding dry putty, starting with a low number of rough sandpaper. In the case of snow crabs, they are ground using sandpaper 400 and sandpaper 600. Continue grinding well in the order of high number of fine sandpaper. Some of the parts are going to be painted with metal, and that's going to be ground very finely, with more than 2500 sandpaper. Use sandpaper to remove the noticeable parting line. After grinding well, shake off the powder with a brush, toothbrush, etc., and dig again with a model saw or scraper if the panel line disappears or becomes shallow due to sandpaper work. After the sandpaper work, wash the paint thoroughly and dry the water well to complete the preparation for painting. Wash and dry the water with lukewarm water and use neutral detergent.